Once I reach into my record box, here comes another classic.
Speak to us of black awareness. Speak clearly. Speak loudly. The beautiful black rose stood tall, radiant, confident in all our purity, modesty, beauty, and envy rose.
Like me, you've struggled long. You've trod one of life's roughest road, in with the heaviest load. To be someone to belong, but you're nearing your mile and a half furlong. Don't give up now, just pray for strength now. For you I dedicate my song. La da 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 da. Carnally abused when warned we were refused and thrown in the garbage bins. But no need for that now. Free yourself of that now and help me sing my song. La da 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 da. Mother of Moses too, overcame man's evil devices. I dedicate my song for you. La da 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 da. Black woman. Dedicate my song.
Speak to us of black awareness. Speak clearly. Speak loudly. The beautiful black rose stood tall, radiant, confident in all our purity, modesty, beauty, and envy rose. Yet she stood there, harmless. But at last the wicked one won. She was attacked, deflowered, ravished. Her petals of purity, modesty, beauty were torn from her, flung to the ground, trampled by envious swines. She's bare, trembling, ashamed, crying, screaming. She had been fooled. Her cultures were destroyed. She was devoured by Sodom, forced by the death culture to close herself in folly, whoredom. But suddenly, the voice of culture, modesty, beauty, cried out from its suffocation. Return! Return! Return, O daughters of creation, to your heights of black dignity. Her hair goes up with the pride of culture. Her dress down to the call